today I'm making pickled onions. So you're going to need the following ingredients: onions, vinegar, water, sugar, salt, and seasoning to your choice. 1 cup white vinegar. Now you can use apple cider vinegar, it's up to you. And again, you can choose any type of onions you choose. It's up to you. You're going to have a half a cup of water, 1/3 cup sugar, 1 teaspoon salt, a teaspoon of peppercorn, a teaspoon of honey mustard seed, not honey mustard. Then you're going to bring everything to a boil. Once it's boiled, you're going to take your time, because this will be hot, and pour the brine over the cut onions. Now again, it's going to be very hot, so make sure that you are very careful. Once you have it in your jar, you see all those bubbles? We need to get rid of those bubbles. We are going to tap our jar softly onto the counter. Now, let's see if that worked. So now you're going to go ahead, and you saw that worked, but we still have some in there. We're going to take a knife and go around the edges. And once we are satisfied that that is all emerged and all of the air is out of the jar, we're going to close it up, put it in the refrigerator for 30 minutes to 24. Enjoy!